Dear parents and student, welcome to Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Mobile number 75680 Class 1st, Subject EVS, Chapter 1, Lecture number 3. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook. Whenever your school class will be open, then you may clear to related teacher. इस लेक्चर से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट है तो अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें. जब स्कूल ओपन हो तब रिलेटेड सब्जेक्ट टीचर से कंसल्ट करें. पेज नंबर 3, SENSE सेंस, ORGAN ऑर्गन, सेंस ऑर्गन्स. सेंस ऑर्गन मीन्स महसूस करना. EYES eyes, EARS ears, NOSE nose, TONGUE tongue, ANDN, SKIN skin, HELP help, US us, TO2, KNOW no, THE the, WORLD world, AROUND around, US us. Ear, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. What's the use of these organs in your body? They helps you to sense anything. क्या यूज़ है ईयर्स, आइज, नोज का? किसी भी चीज़ को फील करने के लिए, सेंस करने के लिए हमें इन ऑर्गन्स की नीड होती है. WEVSEEC WITH with OURREYES eyes. We see with our eyes. Which organ helps you to watch, to see? Eyes help you to see anything. Eyes helps you to watch television, playing games, etc. WEVSMELL smell, WITH with OURRNOSE nose. We smell with our nose. What is the use of our nose? Nose helps to smell. Smell means कोई भी सुगंध. And one more important thing, अच्छी खुशबू को हम क्या बोलते हैं? फ्रेग्रेंस. और बदबू को हम स्मेल बोलते हैं. प्लीज कीप दिस वर्ड्स इन योर ब्रेन. अच्छी खुशबू फ्रेग्रेंस, बदबू स्मेल. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट यूज ऑफ योर नोज. व्हाट इज? जस्ट अप्लाई योर ब्रेन. ब्रीदिंग प्रोसेस, सांस लेना. If you have nose, then you are able to breathe in. हम नोज की हेल्प से सांस ले सकते हैं. WEVHEAR here, WITH with OURREYES ears. Hear means सुनना. कोई भी वॉइस आपको किसकी हेल्प से सुनाई देती है? With the help of ears. For example, your mom calling, please come here and eat the food. Then, which organ helps you to hear something? Your ears. Your ears help you to hear. WEVTASTE taste, WITH T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. We taste with our tongue. Okay, the food is tasty. Yes, it's salty, spicy, sour. How can you feel about the food? With the help of tongue. Tongue helps you to feel the taste. टंग की हेल्प से हमें टेस्ट का पता चलता है. WEVFEEL, feel. WITH, with. OURRSKIN, skin. We feel with our skin. Okay, what is the use of skin? Skin means त्वचा. कभी सोचा है आपने स्किन का हमारी लाइफ में क्या यूज है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टेम्परेचर, समर, विंटर. How will you analyze that is summer or winter? With the help of your skin. स्किन में कुछ ऐसे सेंस होते हैं जो आपको हेल्प करते हैं वेदर को सेंस करने के लिए. हॉट, कोल्ड, कोई भी वेदर हो, आप स्किन की हेल्प से अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 5. PEOPLE, people. ARERDIFFERENT, different. People are different means अलग अलग तरह के लोग. What's the meaning of people are different? In our society, you saw many peoples. Someone is tall, someone is short, someone is fatty, someone is thin. हमारी सोसाइटी में आपने सब तरह के लोग देखे. कोई मोटा है, कोई पतला है, कोई लंबा है. So these changes is called people are different. LOOK, look. AT, at. THE, the. PICTURES, pictures. Look at this picture. Here in this picture, look at this. Some students, some kids. The name of these kids: ANU, Anu. ALI, Ali. JAS, PREET, Jaspreet. ARJUN, Arjun. ANDN, MARY, Mary. ARER FRINEDS, friends. Anu, Ali, Jaspreet, Arjun and Mary are friends. ये लोग फ्रेंड्स हैं. THEY, they. STUDY, study. INN CLAS, class 1. In which class they study? They study in class 1. You also study in class 1. ये लोग कौन सी क्लास में? क्लास 1 में. ALL, all. OF, of. THEM, them. All of them. HAVE, have. THE, the. SAME, same. PARTS, parts. OF, of. THE, the. BODY, body. BUT, but. DO, do. THEY, they. LOOK, look. THE, the. SAME, same. All of them have the same parts of the body, but do they look same? Their internal parts are same, their external parts are same, but they look same. their features, their face, it's different. ये लोग सब दिखने में सेम है, सबके बॉडी पार्ट सेम है, इंटरनल एक्सटर्नल, बट फेस सबके अलग है, हाइट सबकी अलग है. एन ओ नो, DIFFERENT, different. PEO, PLE, people. LOOK, look. DIFFERENT, different. No, different people look different. SOME, some. MAY, may. BEB, TALL, tall. AND, an. SOME, some. MAY, may. BEB, SHORT, short. Some may be tall and some may be short. Each person looks different. Some person height is tall, some small, some is fatty. So each person look different. SOME, some. MAY, may. BEB, FAT, fat. AND, an. SOME, some. MAY, may. BEB, THIN, thin. Some may be fat, some may be thin. PEO, PLE, people. HAV, have. DIFFERENT, different. EYEI, HAIR, hair. ANDN, SKIN, skin. COLOUR, color. TO, two. So when you see the picture, you can easily identify the difference. Their hairs, eyes, nose, everything is different from each other. जब हम इस पिक्चर को देखते हैं, इस पिक्चर में आईज, नोज सबके डिफरेंट है. स्किन कलर ऑल्सो डिफरेंट. कोई बहुत ज़्यादा फेयर है, कोई डल है. MY, my. DIFFERENT, different. FEELINGS, feeling. My different feeling. LOOK, look. AT, at. THE, the. PICTURE, pictures. Look at the pictures. SAY, say. HOW, how. THE, the. CHILDREN, children. ARER, FEELING, feeling. You can see this three picture. Okay, in this picture the expression of each student is different. Yes or no? Yes. First one, she is happy. Second one, she is sad. Third one, the boy is angry. First खुश है, सेकंड दुखी है, थर्ड वन गुस्से में. सो दीज इज कॉल्ड योर फीलिंग्स. इससे हम फीलिंग्स कहते हैं. आर इमोशंस. नेक्स्ट, SHARE, share. WITH, with. THE, the. CLASS class, ABOUT about, a TIME time, WHEN when, YOUU, FELT felt, HAPPY happy. Share with the class about a time when you felt happy. आपको कोई भी एक अपनी ऐसी मेमोरी बतानी है when you were happy, जब आप खुश थे. WERE were, YOUU, EVER ever, ANGRY angry, OR or, SAD sad. Were you ever angry or sad? कभी आप दुखी थे, कभी गुस्से में थे. SAY say when, कब बताइए. DO do, YOU, FEEL feel, NICE nice, WHEN when, YOUU, ARER, ANGRY angry. Do you feel nice when you are angry? When you are angry, that time you feel nice. आपको अच्छा लगता है तब. WHAT what, SHOULD should, YOUU, DO do, what should you do. तब आप क्या करते हैं. DISCUSS discuss, INCLASS class, discuss in the class. Next point, HOBBIES hobbies. Hobbies means your favorite work. Like your hobbies is painting, art and craft, dancing, singing. These all are your hobbies. Hobbies means your favorite activity, जो काम आपको करना सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. For example, dancing, playing, singing, etc. WEVALL all, ENJOY enjoy, DOING doing, SOME some, ACTIVITIES activities. We all enjoy doing some activities. For example, I like painting. So while I am doing painting, I enjoy. जिस काम को करने में आपको मज़ा आए उसे हम हॉबीज़ बोलते हैं. THEY they, ARER, CALLED called, OURR, HOBBIES hobbies. क्या बोलते हैं उसे हम? हॉबीज़. Your favorite work, your favorite activity is your hobby. Okay, it's enough for today. Now come to your homework portion. Class, first, subject, EVS, lecture number 3, homework, word meaning. LOOK, look means देखना, to see something. FAT, fat means मोटा, मोटे लोगों को फैटी बोलते हैं. THIN, thin means पतला. ANGRY, angry means गुस्सा. Note, send your daily homework before 9 o'clock every day in good handwriting on this WhatsApp number 75680 77458. Note, डेली 9 बजे से पहले आपको अपना होमवर्क रफ नोटबुक में गुड हैंड राइटिंग में करके स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप नंबर 7568077458 पर सेंड करना है। थैंक यू। हैव अ नाइस डे।